Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation law. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series, I provide you with helpful information about the rules of Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits available to you under that law. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a different part of the law that interacts with workers' compensation law, and that's child support. And if you have an obligation to pay child support, sometimes that comes up in your workers' compensation case. The question I'm going to talk to you about today is whether child support can take your workers' compensation check. If you have an obligation to pay child support, and especially if you're behind on that obligation, then child support may take part of your workers' compensation check. How that gets done is basically the same way that a garnishment would get done if you were working for an employer and child support was garnishing part of your check and your employer was sending the child support payment to child support before paying you the remainder. In workers' compensation, it can work very similarly, especially if you're behind on your child support. Then child support may file something with the workers' compensation insurance company and the State Board of Workers' Compensation that allows them to essentially garnish your check so that the insurance company will send payments to child support for the child support that's owed before sending you the remainder of the check that's left. And so this means that you don't receive your full workers' compensation check because your child support gets taken out first. Now, there are rules about how much that they can hold out of your check. So even if you're very much behind on your child support, then you should still receive something in your weekly workers' compensation benefit because there are limits on what percentage of your check basically can be held out. Now, when it comes to settlement of your case, there's not a limit on that. And if child support's filed a lien, then generally that whole lien is going to have to be satisfied before you receive anything from a workers' compensation settlement, unless child support agrees to take some lesser amount of satisfaction at that time. Hope you found this information about how child support interacts with workers' compensation helpful. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you'd like to find out more information about workers' compensation, I'd encourage you to visit our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. You can find all the videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series there. There's over 100 of them. And so you can find out information about pretty much any area of Georgia workers' compensation law. And you can also subscribe to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you have some specific questions about your workers' compensation case, I'd encourage you to get a free consultation with a workers' compensation attorney. If you'd like to set up a free consultation with me, there's two easy ways to do that. First is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, and completing and submitting the free consultation request form that's available there. Or you can call our office at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and someone from there will get a free consultation with me scheduled for you. Thanks again for watching today, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.